All right, so the next round of fun we have is drilling the spot welds on these spring seats up here in the shock towers. This one's drilled, and I actually got it to pop loose. Damn, Burnsy, excuse you. Oh, that explains a lot. I'm surprised you're not in the restroom yet. This one I've gotten drilled. They actually sent a little spot weld drill, but it doesn't work too well, so we've been having at it with our own stuff instead. So we're going to get the 3 spot welds out. There's one more back here. You can see it. Get that done. Get this out of here. I'm going to go along the other side. Burnsy has our tie rods off and in position on either side of where they came from, so we can actually mock up our new tie rods to where they're close, and then we can go from there. Scotty, you want to say hi? Ah, Scotty! Anyway, so moving on. Carry on! Okay, so you got that done. You want to start on getting that stuff together? And I'm going to continue drilling.
Yep.
You got this?
Yes, sir.
You got this.
Yeah, I got this.
You got this? You got this.
Thank God it's not Monday, because if it was Monday, I'd be like, nah, I ain't got this yet.
It's Tuesday. It feels like Thursday night. I'm not tired. Anyway, it's been, we've been losing our minds. Anywho, that's pretty much ready to pop. I'm going to drill the other one. We'll get them all out, get it handled, get the other side done, and then we can start getting ready to put our coilover in. Ooh, the boing boings. Burnsy, we're going to put the boing boings in.
I want to.
I know you do.